Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm the CEO of Wrench Solutions. This is a presentation of the capabilities of Wrench Smart Project for engineering consultants and architectural firms. The key objectives are to monitor the engineering deliverables and to control them to prevent it being delayed, provide a collaborative platform to share information within the organization and with clients and contractors, and also enforce the quality management process through the system. Monitor the budgets and the cost, and closely monitor your cash flow to ensure that you get paid on time. And also resource monitoring and control. So let me take you through each of these functionalities. At the start of the project, every engineering company typically creates a master deliverable list which identifies a list of deliverables in the project. This is either created in MS Project or Primavera or in a spreadsheet, and this can be imported into Wrench Smart Project, which identifies the deliverables and the scheduled date of submission. For each deliverable based on a type, you can define a workflow process or the quality management process by which the deliverable has to pass through the various disciplines within the organization before it is submitted to the client, and how does it interface with the client so that the client comments are captured with the approval status codes and finally getting issued for construction or for procurement. Now, against each of these stages in the workflow, you can also have intermediate schedules for key milestones like IDC or submission to the client or the final approval, so that you're also able to define the weightages so that when you complete that activity, you earn that weightage, so you're able to also monitor the progress. Based on this, the system provides a to-do list based on the workflow to each user who's responsible. So each, be it the designer or a reviewer, gets a to-do list of what are the list of activities that they are supposed to do against the project. And from the to-do list, they get access to their work. Once they get the activity, they upload the respective documents or a model or the drawings associated based on the deliverable identified in the master deliverable list and submit this into the system. So before it is sent, the system pops up a checklist depending on the type of deliverable, and the checklist will ensure that the designer has not overlooked any factor so that you can prevent any mistakes or reduce a number of mistakes during the review stage. So the models can be submitted here. It can be reviewed through the system. So if it is 3D models from Plan Design System, so you have it published in Navisworks. And if it is a Revit model, it can be directly read using the Forge system so that or IFC files which can be submitted. The 3D models can be commented upon in the system, and these 3D models the comments can be sent back to the designer, and they can make the changes. If it is 2D drawings, the drawings can be submitted along with a CAD file as well as a PDF. And for IDC purposes, it can be sent to multiple resources at the same time, and all the resources can simultaneously comment on the cloud, and each others can see the comments of the others, and the consolidation of the comment takes place automatically. From this, the system captures the comments which have been put on the PDF file. It is getting attached against that file, and a comment resolution sheet is also created from these comments so that each and every comment that has been put need not be typed in, that the content can be read in, and a comment resolution sheet can be created, and this comment can be sent to the originator to make the changes as per the comments and then send back to the project manager for review. Now, once the document is ready or the deliverable is ready to be sent to the client, a transmittal can be created within Wrench, and the system sends this document to the client depending on the workflow for either for issue for review or issue for approval. Now the client gets a notification on email. The client, if it is part of the system, can get a link to the document, or if it's outside the system, it sends an email with an external links from which the client can download the file so that you don't have to send it as an attachment. Once a client receives the document, the client can comment using the collaborative committing functionality, or they can put their comments and also provide the approval status codes, and depending on the approval status code, the information is sent back to the originator for changes. The originator can make the changes to the document and upload the new revised document, and the system automatically supersedes the previous version and maintains the complete audit trail of the previous document with all the history in terms of the comments that are put by the internal user, the client, etc., and maintains a history there. So you can also do a comparison between the two revisions and show you physically what were the changes. So this reduces the effort of checking by physically seeing the comparison between the two drawings. Now, every drawing that is printed from Wrench is put with a QR code so that when the drawing is used by the end user at the construction site, they can actually check whether the drawing they've printed is the latest by running the mobile app of Wrench Smart Project on it, and it checks with the server and tells whether the drawing which is the latest or not. Also, as the drawing moves through the workflow, you can see the different colored status. The yellow color shows the current status, so it captures the actual status, and based on the status, if there is a weightage assigned, it captures the progress, and from this progress you can get your S-curves or the progress report from the system. This progress can also be updated back on the 3D model so that you can monitor the status of the drawings and the designs on the model and say how many drawings have been issued or how many are pending. You can even see on the model instead of seeing that on your master document list, so that it gives you better visualization. The status vendor drawings are also handled through the system. So if you have vendors submitting drawings to you, you can have a workflow and you can provide access to the vendor so that the vendor can get the latest drawing from it and upload the latest drawing, and it can go through the internal review process. From this, you can generate different reports automatically because system has the schedule, it's got the progress, and it's got the actual, so it shows you what activities are delayed, and as well as it generates a S-curve for you with the list of deliverables which are not progressing as per plan. You can drill down from the S-curve report from the traffic light and get to see those list of deliverables so that the project manager can focus on the items which are not progressing as per plan. So you manage your project by exception, and all these reports are generated automatically through the system so that the project planning group or the project control group does not have to generate any more reports. Similarly, you can have submission reports, resubmission reports, etc. sent to your vendor, as well as if drawings are not approved by the client, you can send them reminder email. So expediting the client or the vendor can be done automatically through the system. You can also do correspondence management using Wrench, because every RFI letters that you're sending out or receiving from the client or the vendor can be tracked, and it can be generated from the system with a unique correspondence reference number, and this is sent to the through your regular email. And when the reply comes back, Wrench will attach the reply so that you have a complete audit trail with the history, and you can generate a report which says what are the mails that you have sent or what are the mails you received, whether you had to reply or we got a reply, and if that mail thread is closed. So with this, it also provides you facility to track all your correspondence, and also the functionality of minutes of the meeting, which captures the actions, and the actions are identified to specific people. So you can keep a track of how many actions are pending with somebody, and it sends reminders to them to expedite it so that they can ensure that all the minutes are closed. So this essentially covers the capability of Wrench Smart Project from a deliverable monitoring functionality as well as from a collaboration and quality management functionality. Cost control and cash flow can be monitored through Wrench Smart Project. You can define the budgets you can define the commitments in the project and also the billing schedule and monitor the cash flow in real time. This is done by having a cost breakdown structure of the expenses and the budgets in terms of man hours converted to cash, and also capturing the commitments and the billing schedule in the system. By this, the system provides the planned cash flow, and also in case there is a variation, it can also give you the forecasted cash flow. And these milestones are linked to the schedule. So whenever there is a delay in a schedule, it will effectively update the planned cash flow through the system. So when the actual milestone gets approved and the payment is realized, it gives you the actual cash flow, and then you can generate reports from the system which shows you the variation between the plan and the actual. And also you can get your earned value curve based on the actual work done in terms of the cash flow, so that you have absolute control of your cash flow as well. So this is extremely useful in an engineering business, because the cost of resources is the highest, and hence monitoring the cash flow becomes extremely critical for the survival of the business. Resource management is a very critical requirement for every engineering and architectural firm. Wrench Smart Project provides functionality such as resource planning, capturing the actuals using timesheet. It enables you to monitor the utilization of the resources and also check the availability of the resources. The resource planning functionality enables you to budget the resources in a project and also allocate budgeted hours for deliverables as well as packages, and also monitor the resources against the budget by capturing the timesheet and comparing it, so that you have control on your budgets in terms of time. It also provides the resource availability information across multiple projects, and also enables to capture the utilization of the resource across a period of time for various resources by role as well as by individual resource names, to ensure that you are able to work in the most efficient way. To sum up, Wrench Smart Project provides an engineering consultancy firm 3 C's. The first C is control: project control, quality control, resource control with monitoring, and document control. The second C is collaboration. It provides electronic notifications through workflows, digital collaboration. It provides a platform for vendor collaboration and consultant collaboration, as well as it enables people to work from anywhere by having multiple offices working on a single platform, so that they can work as one organization immediately of where they work from, be it from their office or from home. And the third C is compliance. It enforces the quality management process, checklist. It provides quality assurance, HSE, and also it provides the risk management, wherein you can monitor the risk associated with the project. The system can be hosted on cloud, or it can be on premises, and it can be accessed by any device, be it your laptop, your mobile, your tablet, or your desktop. So get your Wrench Smart Project for your engineering firm and have complete control of your engineering deliverables in terms of its schedule and quality, and also monitor your cash flows and your profitability in real time, so that you ensure that you are able to sustain on every project, and also closely monitor your resources, which is your biggest cost, so that you remain profitable in every project that you do. Thank you.